Welcome back to Dee's Kitchen. Today we're cooking a 5-ingredient cheesecake. For this recipe you will need 1 ready-to-use graham cracker crust, 2 eggs, 2 packs of cream cheese, a 1/2 cup of sugar, and vanilla flavor. Okay, first we will start off by using 2 cream cheese softened. Add your sugar and your vanilla. And you're going to beat very well. Next, you're going to add your 2 eggs. Now that we have mixed our ingredients together, we're going to pour it in a ready-to-use graham cracker shell. Try to even it out much as possible so that it can cook evenly. My oven is preheated for 325, so just preheat your oven for 325 and place your pie in the oven for 45 minutes. This is our finished product of our 5-ingredient cheesecake. I added strawberry glaze on top. It has to be refrigerated for 3 hours. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!